Ever found yourself needing to send money quickly but dreading the thought of long queues or complicated forms? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is key, and that's exactly what online banking offers. If you're a Lloyds Bank customer, you've got a powerful tool right at your fingertips to manage your finances, including the ability to transfer money to almost anyone, anytime, from the comfort of your own space. But maybe you're new to online banking, or perhaps you've navigated your account but haven't yet taken the plunge into making transfers. Don't worry. This guide is designed to walk you through the process step by step, making it so clear and straightforward that you'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. We'll cover everything from logging in securely to confirming your payment, ensuring you feel confident and in control every step of the way. So, grab your laptop or tablet, and let's unlock the ease and efficiency of transferring money with Lloyds Online Banking. First things first, you'll need to access your Lloyds Bank online banking account. Open your web browser and go to the official Lloyds Bank website. Look for the Log On button, usually located in the top right-hand corner of the page. Click on it. You'll then be prompted to enter your user ID and password. Make sure you have these details handy. It's crucial to enter this information accurately and to keep it private to ensure the security of your account. Once you've entered your credentials, click Log On. You might be asked to verify your identity through a one-time passcode sent to your registered mobile number or via your Lloyds Bank security device. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your account overview page. Here, you'll see a summary of your accounts. To initiate a money transfer, look for options like Pay or Transfer, Make a Payment, or similar. The exact wording might vary slightly, but it will generally be easy to identify. Click on this option. You'll now be presented with different transfer options. You might see choices like Pay Someone New, Pay Someone You've Paid Before, or Transfer Between Your Accounts. Select the option that best suits your needs. If you're paying someone new, you'll need to enter their bank details. This typically includes the recipient's name, sort code, and account number. Double-check these details very carefully. Incorrect information could lead to delays or the money being sent to the wrong account. Some banks may also require a reference, which can help the recipient identify the payment. If you're paying someone you've paid before, their details will likely be saved, making the process even quicker. Simply select their name from your list of payees. If you're transferring money between your own Lloyds Bank accounts, you'll just need to select the account you want to send money from and the account you want to send it to. Next, you'll need to enter the amount of money you wish to transfer. Be sure to enter the amount accurately. You might also have the option to set up a recurring payment if it's something you need to do regularly. Before you finalize the transfer, you'll be presented with a summary of the details you've entered. Take a moment to review everything carefully, the recipient's details, the amount, and the date of the transfer. Once you're confident that all the information is correct, you'll need to confirm the payment. This might involve entering your password again, using your security device, or confirming via a mobile app notification, depending on your security settings. Once the transfer is confirmed, you should see a confirmation message on your screen, and you might also receive an email notification. The time it takes for the money to reach the recipient's account can vary depending on the bank and the time of the transfer, but often it's processed within a few hours or by the next working day. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money using Lloyds Online Banking. As you can see, the process is straightforward and secure, offering a convenient way to manage your finances without the hassle of traditional methods. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.